So in today's video, I'm going to be driving the E92 335i with MHD burbles on max. Now this is pretty aggressive, so I don't usually like to do this. Just for reference, the car has intakes, a blow-off valve, a charge pipe, it's catless, and it has a muffler delete. So it's going to be pretty gnarly. I set base, which is just in normal driving mode, to no burbles. So in sport it's going to burble for 2 seconds long. We're going to have it on max aggressiveness, and then it'll cut the burbles out at 1200 RPM. And we also have kick down deactivated and linear throttle mapping. I will say one thing, I have used these burbles before and it is very, very violent. Like, can't be good for your car violent. I have used them and I've heard weird stories of people consuming oil or their engines start having oil problems, and honestly my car for whatever reason does start to consume more oil with the burbles activated. It burns oil. So yeah. Doesn't sound like it can be good for anything. It feels faster.
I was gonna say, like
it feels faster.
Yeah.
Honestly, I don't know why. I don't know if it's like more fuel or what. I don't know. It just feels like it's got more juice. So I will say one thing I have noticed. I don't think the car is faster with the burbles. I think it's faster without the burbles, but it almost just seems faster because it's like more aggressive. It's not as smooth, I would say.
Yeah.
Another thing I will note, the car smells really, really hot. Like, you know, without the burbles on, I don't know, like it just smells like, you know, all those flames and explosions are warming things up really, really good. Sometimes they're really aggressive. Sometimes they're not as aggressive. Like right now, they just don't seem that poppy and bangy, whereas like sometimes it's weird. It's like it changes. Like some days you'll just be driving and it's just way more noisy. So we're gonna do a second gear launch here. Seems to be the best way.